welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little grocery haul. This haul is from Publix. They had a little sale on a few meats, so I got a few different things than I normally get. And I'm excited to try them. So let's just get right into it. The first thing I got is some boar's head bologna. I just thought I'd pop on here and explain why I got bologna. I'm a redneck and I like bologna, and I watched the movie Hillbilly Elegy, and his sister made him fried bologna sandwiches and it made me want fried bologna, and so I bought bologna. So, you know, judge me if you want to, but I like bologna. Okay, back to the grocery haul. It has better ingredients than most, although they're not perfect. I am looking to order some from US Wellness Meats. Is that what it's called? US Wellness Meats. They have a bologna that's all meat, no sugar, no extra additives or anything like that. So I'm going to order some of that, but for now this will do. And then some avocado, because I am going to make taco bowl, nacho bowl, no nacho nachos, whatever you call it. I'm gonna make that, and so to go with that, I got some tomato and some pico de gallo. This is just tomatoes, onions, jalapeno, pepper, cilantro, lemon juice, and lime juice, and salt. So this is all fine. It's just pre-made because I'm lazy. And then I got some more smoked Gouda. I have some in the refrigerator, but I don't know what brand it is because it doesn't taste right. So I got some more. Cream cheese for a few recipes I'm working on. Some limes. This is American style Kobe ground beef. I was going to use this in the tacos. Some regular ground beef just to maybe make some meatballs. This is ground bison. Also, I'm gonna put that in with the Kobe for the nachos. Some more ground beef. And then some chicken breast, because Abby Gross is coming this week and she wants my keto chicken nuggets. So I had to get her some of that. And she likes this ketchup. I'll show you. This is Primal Kitchen ketchup, no sugar added, unsweetened. It's got tomato, balsamic vinegar, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and other spices. It's pretty good. It's a little thick. I like to add a little bit of water to mine to make it thinner because it is quite chunky for a ketchup. And it's also a little pricey, so adding water to it makes it go a lot further. And that's pretty much it, except for water. And then, so this is a keto hot cocoa mix from a small business bakery out of Utah, Salt Lake City, I think. They may be on the outskirts, the suburbs. Oh my gosh, it's snowing so hard now. All of a sudden, it looks like a snow globe outside.
Teenagers.
Shut up, it is not. Sorry, it's just really weird that it's snowing in Tennessee, and well, I guess it's almost December, but still that's quite early for Tennessee weather. Anyways, this is a business run by two awesome women. I've met them. They're super kind, super sweet. They make everything themselves in their own homes, I think. They may have grown enough to where they have a building now, but they started out of their own kitchens, and they make hot cocoa, sweet treats. I'll show you some of the treats that I got. So they make chocolate chip cookies. This is a peanut brittle bar, a ginger cookie, frosted eggnog cookie. They have lots of different sweets and treats. Now, I don't eat this stuff most of the time, but it is the holidays and they are a small business, so I'd rather buy cookies and stuff from them than, say, Fat Snacks and High Key, because they're getting plenty of business. But these women are hardworking, and I appreciate that they make this stuff fresh. It's fresh. They send it to you. It comes in a cooler with an ice pack and everything. So you need to eat it within like the week that you get it, or otherwise it's gonna go bad because it doesn't have preservatives and stuff like that in it. So I don't have a promo code or anything like that. And it is a little bit pricier, but it's a small business. So I feel like that's worth your money. And so I'll leave a link to their Instagram and their website in the description if anybody wants to check them out. Okay, that's it for this little bitty grocery haul. It's not very much, but we have a lot of meat stocked up in the freezer, so I didn't have to buy that much this week. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumb and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you, mean it. Bye.